Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about why are you not manifesting love in your life. Stick around. Coming up. Alright, if you are new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and let's talk about today's cool topic. Why are you not manifesting love in your life? So I'm going to share with you my number one reason why I believe you are not actually manifesting the perfect relationship and love in your life. But before I dive even deeper, I want to invite you for my upcoming live masterclass, how you can manifest and attract love into your life and live your fairy tale. So you can subscribe and register for the training below this video in description. And let's talk about today's topic. So the reason you cannot manifest love into your life is because you are trying to manifest love. Like if you are someone who is trying to go on dates, maybe you are dating right now, maybe you are on dating apps, maybe you are, trying to figure it out, maybe you are manifesting, maybe you are visualizing, maybe you're journaling, you are doing everything, maybe you meditate every single day. I've done it myself, so I know exactly what you're doing. Here's the thing, stop it. Because the easiest way for you to attract love is just to be present and match the frequency of the new reality. Here's the thing. You cannot really match the frequency of that reality if you're doing things that are not really working. I personally stopped going on dates. I deleted all dating apps. I completely surrendered to the universe, and that is how I was able to attract the person. So it wasn't necessarily me doing the thing, me taking the action. However, if you feel called, and if there is an inner calling within you telling you that you should absolutely try this dating app, or if there is an inner calling within you telling you to go somewhere, but it has to be subtle and very intuitive, then it might be a sign that this is aligned action you should take, because that aligned action will get you there. However, if you feel intuitively that going on dates, using these dating apps, and so on is waste of time, and you're tired, don't do it, don't go there. Don't force yourself to do anything that doesn't feel right. So instead, do things that are aligned, and in other words, things that feel easy and light. And also don't feel like you have to look for it, because people look for it. I was certainly looking for it. The more you keep looking, there is a probability you're not going to find it, because here's the thing. Love is who you are, it's within you. And you first need to activate that energy, and that energy will actually do it for you. The universe will do it for you. Universe will actually attract the person for you, and you don't have to do anything, like nothing at all. And, I can again share my experience. I wasn't doing anything. I actually deleted all apps. I wasn't available to even communicate with men for a long period of time, and I even sort of talk to universe in a way that either you're going to deliver exactly what I want, or I don't want anything. In other words, the act of surrendering, complete surrendering, is act of trusting. And in my opinion, that is more important than taking constant action that is not even going to get there. Once you surrender, completely surrender to universe, and you let universe to guide you and show you the way, you will be guided. But the guidance will be subtle, and sometimes the guidance will actually scare you. So you might even feel scared to go on that particular date. You might even fear to talk to that person, right? And when you do feel scared, you want to check with your heart. What is your heart telling you? Because the way to attract the right person is only through your heart. You can really understand it, you can analyze it, you can calculate how this is going to happen, you can predict. All you can do is completely surrender to universe, trust. And as you do that, have that vision and follow your heart desire, because your heart knows. Your heart is carrying the blueprint, how it's meant to feel. And so take your time to tune into that energy that your heart is providing you, so you can actually really understand how it feels, and then observe yourself. Because here's the thing, when you actually meet a person, you will know in your heart that it is the person from that vision that you had, right? Because that vision, whenever we do have vision, the vision carries this specific energetic blueprint. And that specific energetic blueprint is actually going to disclose itself when you meet the person. And that's how it works. That's how it works in the quantum field, because you match in the frequency. So you first have the vision and you feel it in your heart how it's meant to feel when you meet the person, right? And then you're gonna meet the person and you're gonna feel that energetic blueprint, because it's gonna feel like, oh my God, this feels like home. This is exactly how I imagine it. This I feel now the way I always wanted to feel. And that is how you know, through your heart. Your heart is your portal. You know this is it. And then you have to be actually brave to trust your heart. If you start analyzing, if you start thinking, overthinking, that's gonna block you. So stop doing it and trust your heart. Your heart knows, and be brave to actually trust your heart's desire, because your heart knows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to dig deeper, make sure to join the upcoming live masterclass with me. The link to sign up is going to be below my video. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.